What is up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Melvin bringing you another sneaker review today. This is the ZX4000 shoe by Adidas that launched 3 weeks ago. I apologize that this video is a little late, but I'm glad I took time to break in the shoe and to fully understand what the shoe was meant to offer. But before I get to those details, please allow me to share a little bit about Futurecraft 4D for the benefit of those who have not heard about this technology that Adidas has incorporated. So the Futurecraft 4D is a lineup of sneakers that has 3D printed midsoles which are manufactured with this breakthrough proprietary technology called digital light synthesis that is supposed to produce layerless parts with excellent resolution, surface finish and mechanical properties. And true enough, if you were to look up close, you have to agree all those claims are true. I've never seen such a beautiful 3D printed part. And trust me on this because I spent about 7 years in the plastics injection molding industry as an engineer. So perhaps that is why I'm so drawn into this technology, because I truly understand the manufacturing complexities and its limitations. Anyway, you guys are here for a shoe review, so without further ado, let's get on with the ZX4000 4D. So the shoe is a redesign of the original silhouette that was released in the late 80s. Although, apart from the panel over here, everything else including the contour is different, and in a good way because I really prefer how it looks today, though I am disappointed that they took the cushioning away. The heel area is pretty stiff, with nothing much going on around the ankle collar. The suede on both the lateral and medial side is strictly for aesthetic purpose only. On that, I do think the mix of materials is great. You have like suede all over the shoe, and its color combination is so awesome. I prefer this colorway over the previous releases as well as the ones which are upcoming. One thing to note about the ZX4000 4D is that the prime knit material is in fact sitting on top of a nylon or something, which means you don't experience that super stretchy upper which you get with the Ultra Boost shoes. It doesn't make sense, but it is what it is. Lengthwise, the shoe is true to size, though I must say that it is pretty narrow at the front. I have wide feet, so it would be nice if I had gone for a half a size up. However, I try to make it work anyway by using the hairdryer method as well as a bunch of other stuff, to accelerate the expansion of the shoe. The most effective one I would say is to wear them daily, even while at home, which worked for me, so it did conform to my feet after 2 weeks. Speaking of that, and this is the best part, I noticed the 3D printed midsole got more comfortable as well. It was quite rigid out of the box, but right now, after breaking in, it flexes a whole lot more and the shock absorption is more evident. But we have to be clear on something, this isn't Boost technology. It doesn't have that squishiness or bounce from your Ultra Boost shoes or even the 350 V2s. I'm not sure if this is a good metaphor, but Boost is like sleeping on a foam mattress on one of those foldable beds with springs. Yeah, the one that squeaks. Much like a trampoline, you bounce all over without control. Meanwhile, the 4D is a firm mattress with individually wrapped coils to support the weight of your body when you lay. It gives the support needed at the right places, and that is why you can't do a Boost versus 4D comparison. It is entirely up to one's individual preference, much like how would one select a bed. But there is a problem with the ZX4000 4D. No, I'm not referring to the holes at the midsole. Needless to say, one should refrain from ever walking on sand or mud. No, not that. The problem is the price tag. This is $350 US. In fact, I paid $400 because that is what it retails for here in Singapore. This technology comes at a cost. I get it, but it is too expensive for this to ever go mainstream. Furthermore, Adidas have plans to fully customize 4D midsoles according to your body weight and feet profile. That is going to cost a lot more, don't you think? Anyway, drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and to my subscribers who have been waiting for a new video, thank you. Stay tuned for my next reviews. I may talk about the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Black. I also have the 700 V2 Tephra. These are so underrated. Best colorway in my opinion. And also my New Balance that arrived today. Thank you guys again, and until the next episode, you guys take care. Peace.